Alright guys, well today we're going to be doing a bit of a test on the spear and the bow and arrow. We're going to try and get some tilapia.
Got it!
To cook up and eat. So I'll be using the Hawaiian Sling 3-piece hand spear with the it's the one with the 5 paralyzing prongs on the end.
Nice.
And you're going to be using your bow and arrow.
Yep, and this arrow is actually a handmade arrow that me and my mate made. We've carved this bone for the tip and placed that on the end and secured it with some sinew on the end of this river cane. And for the fletchings, we just wrapped this feather to the end. So we're gonna try and shoot some tilapia for lunch. Let's see how we go. All right. I see him. I could shoot him, dude.
No. Wait, yeah, maybe you should. Alright, I'm gonna run after it.
Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Where? I need to see it first before you shoot. Whoa!
Oh!
I see arrow. We are still in action, baby! Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Got it!
Gently.
Oh my! I got it!
Get on the bank! Get on the bank!
Nice!
Get on the bank! Oh, my bag!
Oh crap! Sorry. Okay. Ah!
It stayed on.
There we have it, guys.
That's...
Man. Whoa. Okay, so.
Alright, the mozzies are that bad. Gotta try and get near the smoke, but what I'll do is I'll scale it. Cut as many fillets as I can off it and cook them up that way.
Alright, let's go.
Oh! Oh!
Ooh. You right?
Holy crap.
Ouch. Don't screw this up. Nice.
Cool. The mozzies have got to my brain.
Spread them out a bit. So we're just smothering this tilapia with 2 damn lemons. Oh yeah.
I can't do this. Straight over the hole.
Oh
where
no.
it just sinks down.
Why do people put holes in pans? Why? Wow.
Just put the whole thing on. Alright, cool.
So we fry the garlic and the butter together. Ooh, grab one fillet. I'll grab the other.
Skin side down?
Yep. Oh! 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 Don't go stingy on the butter, do ya?
It's the only thing to make this crap taste nice. Okay, they're done. Oh, listen to that. That just looked really weird.
Is that seriously it? Is it good?
I gotta tell you, it's better than... It's a lot better than last time.
Alright.